Discover the power of the new Apple iPad. Looking for a device that adapts to your needs? The new Apple iPad is designed to keep up with your lifestyle, whether you're working, creating, or just enjoying your favorite content. With its stunning 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, every image, video, and app looks incredibly vibrant and sharp. Powered by the A14 Bionic chip, this iPad delivers lightning-fast performance, making multitasking smooth and efficient. Whether you're editing photos, streaming videos, or playing games, you'll experience seamless responsiveness. Plus, with all-day battery life, you can stay productive and entertained without constantly reaching for a charger. Stay connected with super-fast Wi-Fi 6, ensuring faster downloads and uninterrupted video calls. The advanced 12-megapixel front and back cameras let you capture stunning photos, record high-quality videos, and enjoy crystal-clear FaceTime calls. With iPad OS, you get a powerful yet easy-to-use interface, plus access to over 1 million apps designed to enhance your creativity and productivity. Security is effortless with Touch ID, allowing you to unlock your device and make secure payments instantly. Take your experience even further with Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard Folio, transforming your iPad into a digital notebook or a powerful workstation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who loves technology, the new iPad is designed to fit your lifestyle. Ready to elevate your digital experience? Get yours today at the Apple Store or your favorite retailer. Find the product link in the description.